What should a last will and testament include? Have you ever wondered what goes into creating a last will and testament? This important document plays a key role in estate planning, ensuring your wishes are honored after you pass away. Let's break down the essential components that should be included in your last will and testament. First, you need a declaration statement. This part introduces your will and clearly states your intention to create one. It also revokes any previous wills you may have made. This sets the foundation for everything that follows. Next, you should list your beneficiaries. These are the people or organizations who will receive your assets. Clearly naming them helps prevent any confusion or disputes later on. Another important element is the designation of an executor. This person will be responsible for managing your estate, paying any debts, and distributing your assets according to your wishes. Choosing someone trustworthy for this role is essential. If you have minor children, it is vital to include guardianship provisions. This allows you to name guardians who will care for your children in the event of your death. This ensures they are looked after according to your preferences. You will also want to include specific bequests. These are particular gifts or assets you want to leave to certain beneficiaries. This could be anything from money to personal items or property. A residuary clause is another key component. This clause covers any assets not specifically mentioned in your will. It ensures that everything else you own is distributed according to your wishes. To make your will legally valid, it must be signed by you in the presence of witnesses. The number of witnesses required can vary by jurisdiction, but typically two are needed. You should also include instructions regarding any outstanding debts and financial obligations. This helps ensure that your estate is not unnecessarily depleted by these debts. Lastly, make sure your will complies with the legal requirements of your jurisdiction. This may involve specific formalities for signing and witnessing your will. By incorporating these elements into your last will and testament, you can ensure that your estate is managed smoothly and according to your wishes. Regularly reviewing and updating your will is also a good practice to reflect any changes in your life or preferences.